In March and in April, at the outbreak of the COVID, we have been able to support Serbian authorities with the help of UNDP. I would like to thank very much UNDP for working with us to help in Serbia to transport the medical material that Serbia had acquired all over the world.
U martu i aprilu mesecu, kada je izbila ova pandemija, mi smo pomogli vlastima u Srbiji uz pomoć UNDP-a i hvala im na svoj saradnji. Dakle, pomogli smo Srbiji da doveze svu onu opremu i materijale koje je Srbija nabavila u svetu.
In July, we have responded positively to a request of the Ministry of Health to hiring 200 medical workers, Serbian medical workers, to reinforce the medical team who are on the battleground on COVID-19.
U julu mesecu mi smo pozitivno odgovorili na zahtev upućen od Ministarstva zdravlja da pomognemo u angažovanju 200 zdravstvenih radnika iz Srbije koji rade i pomažu svojim radom da se ojača sistem i odgovor na ovu pandemiju.
And today I am particularly delighted to hand over officially this new vehicle, this ambulance and decontamination vehicles to the Serbian Health Ministry. This is part of a larger fleet of ambulance that we have been donating that are already operating in Serbian territory.
A danas mi je posebno drago što mogu zvanično da predam ova ambulantna vozila kao i vozilo za dekontaminaciju. Oni su deo jedne veće flote koju je Evropska unija donirala Srbiji, flote koja već radi i kruži putevima po Srbiji.
So this is another sign of solidarity from European people to Serbian people.
Ovo je još jedan znak solidarnosti naroda Evrope, narodu Srbije.
And it's a special thanks to the medical workers, the emergency workers that operate through these ambulances.
Posebnu zahvalnost dugujemo medicinskim radnicima i radnicima hitne pomoći.
We have dedicated a special campaign for them, a campaign for who are the heroes today.
Mi smo za njih organizovali jednu posebnu kampanju, to je ko su vaši heroji danas.
And certainly we need to thank all of them, those who are protect us, who cure us from being really the heroes in these days.
I mi svi treba da se zahvalimo tim ljudima koji nas štite i koji leče, što su oni naši heroji danas.
Last point, I'd like to thank the minister and his staff for cooperation with us.
Na kraju bih se zahvalio ministru i njegovom timu na saradnji.
We had a long meeting today.
Danas smo imali dug sastanak.
We discussed what we are doing, EU and Serbia are doing together.
Razgovarali smo o tome šta Evropska unija i Srbija zajedno rade.
We agreed to continue and reinforce the cooperation between the EU and Serbia on the health sector.
I dogovorili smo se da nastavimo i još ojačamo saradnju koju Evropska unija i Srbija imaju u zdravstvenom sektoru.
Not only on COVID,
ne samo kada je reč o COVID-u,
but more general on having a stronger and more advanced health system in Serbia and Europe.
Već i opštije da radimo zajedno na osnaživanju zdravstvenih sistema i u Srbiji i u Evropi.